Okay, so I received this fan for free, but that's not going to sway my review of this fan. So the fan came pretty much the next day after I ordered it. This is the box that it came in. It came with a lot of different things in here, or just a few things in here. These are the, this is actually the fan. It does actually have 3 speeds, and there's different things. You can move it, you can twist it, turn it. Here's the product information. It's a handheld fan, so a personal fan. And I can tell you that when it came, it was already charged, so I didn't charge it until it died. And it took about, I don't know, a couple of weeks before the battery died, and I had to charge it for the first time. So in the box, it's gonna come your fan. So this is the fan. Nice, white, sleek, small. It fits in my hand just fine. I have small hands. Excuse my lunch. Okay, so it does come with a stand. So you can have it in the stand and have it like this, which is how I normally use it. The other way is you can actually lay it down and it'll sit, and you can have it on your desk. So the fan does, the head does move here. Put it back in the stand. The head does move. So it does go up and down. Doesn't swivel or anything, but you can swivel it. It does come with the UV charger. It comes with your instructions, your usual manual, which is pretty cut and dry, pretty forward. And it does also come with a little wristlet. So if you want to take it with you outside, or you want to take it somewhere, you can put it on your wrist and you'll have your fan handy for you. Now, it does have 3 speeds, and I think it works pretty well. So this is the first speed, so you're just going to click it once. Second speed. And that's the third speed. I think it works really well. I like to use it when I'm doing my makeup, when I'm doing my hair. Because it has been so hot in Texas, I do live in Texas, it's been so hot in Texas, I actually like to use it when I come back from inside, just to cool me down a little faster, instead of using an actual like hand fan. So I think it's a cute and nifty little product. This is the charging port. If I didn't show you guys, this is the charging port. And like I said, it comes with the USB charger and the little wristlet. It comes with the stand, and then of course your fan. So this is all that's in the box, including your instructions. And I think it's a nifty little product. I really like it. So I hope you guys get it. Like I said, the charge actually lasts for a while, depending on how long you use it. I don't remember if it actually told me like for a charge, like how long it lasts, but I know the way that I use it, my charge just straight out of the box lasted me for about 2 to 3 weeks, I think. And then I did charge it. It's fast charging, so it doesn't take long to charge. I'm just trying to see if there's anything in here that says like how long the charge lasts. But I charged it probably on Monday or Tuesday, and it's been working just fine. So yeah, so those are my reviews. I hope you guys find this helpful, and I will see you guys later. Bye.
I received this fan from the company as a tester. It arrived in 2 days. I unpackaged it. It came in 2 pieces. This was separated, so you had to put the cord through the little hole there to attach that. Look at this. And then it has a little stand, which is nice. It came just in time as I had surgery on my foot. I'm gonna get quite warm. It's got 3 settings. This is the button here. That is low. Not sure if you can hear that. that is the second speed. And that is the third speed. So it's got some power to it. I can set it on my little table next to me and turn it on and cool off. It's charged with a USB cord. It does take a while for it to charge. Typically, I can use this on and off throughout the day for about 3 days. I don't leave it running constantly. I'm on some medication from breast cancer chemo, and it makes me have quite a few hot flashes throughout the day. So I will turn this on, cool myself down, turn it off. And like I said, the battery will last for about 3 days, and then I plug it in overnight. When the battery goes dead, there's a little light that's right in here. You can kind of see this right here. That will start blinking, and it's strong enough you can actually see it through the handle here. But it will start blinking, so you know the battery is low. When the battery does get low, it only runs at 1 speed. But all you have to do to fix it is plug it in. If you plug it in trying to run it, it will get very hot. I noticed that the charger gets hot. But I carry this little guy everywhere I go. I can use it in the car. I use it at home. I take it to church. I take it to appointments. And it has been a lifesaver. I love it, and I recommend it to anyone who just needs a way to cool off quickly. So yes, that is my review, and I highly recommend it. And I thank the company for choosing me as a tester and allowing me to try this product and give a review. It's a highly recommend.
I just purchased this little portable fan, and I just sort of want to give a demonstration of how it works. Got it on Amazon. It's really nice. It's cute. It's really small. And to turn it on, you just simply flip this. It has, I think, 3 speeds. That's the highest. And also, it charges. It has a port. They give you a wire here. And it's not battery, but you can charge it, which is really nice. I like that. And also, this comes off, this piece. If you want, you can also use it at your desk or table, or wherever you want to use it. I like the way it looks, and it's very convenient. I'm very happy with it. Very happy. As you can see, I enjoy using this for pedicure when I do my feet. When I paint my nails, I can switch back and forth between each foot and let the other foot dry while I'm painting the other foot, this foot. So that's just another great thing I love about this little gadget.
poco más pequeño que una botella de agua. Viene con carga. Este es el nivel suave. El medio. Y el más fuerte. Se siente bien intenso. Lo apagamos. Le quitamos la base. Donde se carga. Y también se puede poner de diferente manera.
Okay, fan, and this is a actual lens cloth, not a tissue. Nice low. So it moves it, but it doesn't really do anything. Medium. Okay. And then high. Anyway.
Level 1. Level 2. Level 3.
So the fan is cute. It is useful. However, if you can take a listen, it's a little loud. Actually, it's way too loud. And it's embarrassing if you turn around people in a quiet place because they look at you a little differently. So that's my biggest complaint.
It's a big ask. Good strong routine. Operates certainly keep in contention. Chinoski there. Haven't heard about the inquiry.
Okay, Andy, thank you very much. Andy Gill, I'm for South today. We will find out more about what's happening exactly in the street imminently. We're still waiting.